to these guys as I was doing my thing and was staying in my own little lane over there, tacking, welding, cutting beams, grinding paint, doing whatever I'm supposed to be doing. And I hear these guys complaining and crying about this and that, and they don't want to do this, and this part sucks, and this don't fit, and whatever. Sometimes it does suck. Sometimes it is cold, and our hands hurt. Like I said the other day, down on my knees, spent the whole several days down there, get up, your joints is hurting or whatever, whatever, but it's our job. And, I like what I do enough to wake up every morning ready to go do it, whatever it is, even when it sucks. And I find some type of enjoyment, even in the garbage parts, that I might have a complaint or two here or there because I would like things to go more smoothly, but I understand even when they ain't going smoothly, it got to get done. They trusted on me to get it done. That's why I'm here. So I'm going to get it done and be better for it after it's done. One thing that I realized a long time ago is that when you love what you do and you find enjoyment in it make it easy. So just find something in what you do that you like enough to enjoy that part of what you love. And keep your peace. Don't let nobody rob your joy. Don't listen to the negativity of the day. You know, just stay positive. Keep a smile on your face whenever you can. And, you know, keep on strolling, man.